Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Neha. As you can see by the thumbnail of this video, I am here once again to announce batch 2 of the 2-day interview guidance bootcamp. After the success of our batch 1 of this 2-day bootcamp, we were getting constant requests to start this batch anew. And we are here to announce it once again. First batch में I got so much of love. The seats were completely full. Because this boot camp is a target boot camp, it is mainly meant for the HPSC assistant professor post. But before you enroll in this boot camp, I want you people to assess your position yourself. And it earlier the better. The earlier you start preparing for your interview, once you have assessed your position, you start preparing for your interview. Don't sit idle, don't sit relaxed. Start working for your interview. Revision is always the key. Keep on revising your core concepts. I have already uploaded 2 videos to talk about the major tips and tricks that should be followed in order to prepare for the upcoming interview. And this, once the result is declared, you will not get much time. Since you must be having this gap, you are having this gap, make the most out of it. And we are here to help you with our boot camp. This boot camp is designed for 2 days. Day 1, I will take up the guidance. I will guide you people as to how you have to enter the room from the time you will exit the interview room. And on the day 2, HPSC recruited assistant professor will be there to guide you for the one-on-one session. She'll share her story. She'll take the doubts, answer your queries. So this is one of the most enlightening boot camps where at one place location will be online, at online source. On weekends, you will get to know, you will get the yardstick, you will get the moot pointers as to how you have to prepare for your interview. Interview is not one day's task, it's a process. And you have to abide by that process. You have to make those changes. You have to imbibe those things. The red flags you must know, you should avoid. And the green flags you should imbibe in yourself. I'll take you through that journey. My guidance will be theoretical in nature, whereas the HPSC recruited assistant professor, her story will be the practical application of all the things I'll guide you through. This is short, compact, target oriented. The target here is the HPSC interview, but I tell you, this interview bootcamp is also very useful for the students or the candidates who are going to prepare their interview hypothetical research proposal, who are going to sit in an interview meant for PhD admission and for other PSCs as well. So please spread the word. The seats are limited. So to keep our focus at those number of students who are going to enroll, I keep the seat limited deliberately so that I can maintain my focus. I can maintain their attention and I can shape their personalities accordingly. So book your seats now as soon as you view this video. WhatsApp on the given number in the description box. The fees is limited, but tell you the experience is more worth. I request you people to spread the word, and also I request you people to do your registration as soon as possible, since I close the admission really very soon. In the batch 1 also, after the boot camp happened and just before the day of boot camp, I was getting requests to take in the admissions, but I could not because I have to abide by first come first thing. So the dates are 18th and 19th October, just before Diwali, and on the occasion of Diwali you will be stress free because you will have all the expected questions, you will know your direction, and you will know how to prepare for your interview. With that, I come to the end of this video. For more details, you can contact it as at the given number, or you can look at the description box for more details. With that, I come to the end of this video, but not to the end of this series. I'm here to help you people and will be there to help you people. Do not sit back and relax. Start focusing on the interview preparation because it's a process. In the anxiety and nervousness of being in the interview hall, you will be white as a board. So revision is the key. What to revise, where to revise, how much to revise. That is why our boot camp is here. Thank you. Have a nice day.